For those students going into 5th form and 6th form this year, you might be a little bit nervous. Why? Because you have the CAPE and CSEC subjects to sit. But don't worry, we have invited 2 young men who recently completed their examinations to speak to you on how their experience was and to give you some tips on how you can do your best this year. Joining me are Gawain and Dwayne Henriquez. Thanks for joining me, guys.
You're welcome, miss.
Okay, Gawain. So, which school are you coming from?
I'm coming from the Mona High School and I sat chemistry, biology, physics, maths, English, electrical, geography and social studies. I got a 1 in all sciences, a 1 in math, English, electrical, and I got 2 in social study and geography.
Congratulations. So I guess you can talk to students now. Give them some of the studying techniques that you use to do so well in your exams. What are the tricks that you used?
Well, for me, I ensured that I became comfortable with the information that was given to me. And so when it is drawing near to examination period, I don't have to stress about getting that information inside because it would already been in my mind. The next thing I do is I make a study timetable, so I spend equal amount of time in each subject area. The next thing I do is I try my best to have interest in all my subjects because without interest, you will not do well in that subject area.
Awesome. So Gawain, were there any persons in your life who helped you to, to push yourself to do well academically?
Yes, indeed, miss. I would first of all like to say it wouldn't be possible without God. And my sister was the main driving force behind me. She would be there, she would give me the motivation that I needed, and she would help me with my work. She's a scientist herself, and so if I have any issues with homeworks or stuff like that, she would give me advice and show me the right path.
Okay. Tell me about some of the activities that you were involved in at Mona, some of the prizes that you received. I'm sure you got some.
I was the science club president, the maths club president, and I was a part of the Spanish club also.
And the final question is, where do you see yourself in 10 years' time?
I see myself in a lab with all my students, and we are doing work that we all enjoy and trying to better the scientific area of this world.
Thank you so much, Gawain. And I hope that you will achieve your goal of becoming a lab technician just like your sister. And now we will be joined by CAPE student Dwayne Henriquez from the Spalding High School in Clarendon. So Dwayne, you just completed CAPE. Was it upper 6 or lower 6? Tell me a little bit about the grades and the subjects that you did at Spalding High.
Well, I'm from Scarborough in Manchester. I did MOB, which is Management of Business, Principles of Accounts, Sociology, Caribbean Studies. I got 3 2s and 3 4s.
Awesome. So, Dwayne, did you know that you'd have done as well as you did, and why?
I have a lot of persons around me motivating me to do well. They helped me academically, they motivated me, and also financially. Without these persons, I wouldn't have done so well, as I would be worried about things like finances and if no one really cared or that sort of things like that.
Okay. What will you be doing for the rest of the year?
I'll be attending the UE at the University of the West Indies, doing Bachelor of Science degree in Banking and Finance.
What is your advice to students like Gawain who will be sitting CAPE subjects this year?
My advice to students doing CAPE this year is that you must manage your time wisely because it's a lot of work. The CAPE syllabus is very wide. Just practice independent learning, read widely, so you can keep in track with your teachers, do your IAs on time, which is a very important part of doing CAPE and a very time-consuming part of doing CAPE. Hard work is one of the kindest things, and it won't disappoint. Once you work hard, you can get anything you want in life.
Thank you so much, Gawain.
Thanks.
So there you have it. Wise advice from Gawain and Dwayne. If you're entering 6th or 5th form this year, I hope that you were jotting down those tips and, I hope you were thinking about what they said. All the best in your future endeavors. I know you will do well.